questions to ask. I'm ready to respond to them. So, do you have any?
Come on, everybody. Any questions? Any questions? That's a whole lot of history and a whole lot of information.
Can y'all find the picture of when Muhammad Ali was here with the robe on? Can y'all find that?
Yeah, we have that, but it's not on display. Right?
We like that.
What are the questions, that family?
I got a question.
Yeah, okay.
What was the meeting between Nkrumah and Castro? What was the logistics of that meeting?
They actually met at the UN.
All right.
And at that particular UN conference, for whatever reason, Castro arrived and he was not really accepted to the meeting. So Nkrumah had to meet him in his hotel. I think it was in Harlem. One of the hotels in Harlem. That is where he met him. Yeah.
I have another question. I know I read in Malcolm X has a book that Betty Shabazz she published after he had passed, and he spoke of Kwame Nkrumah when he came to Ghana. Are there any pictures of him and Malcolm together?
No, I've not seen a picture of he and Malcolm yet.
All right.
I'm not aware.
All right, but yeah, I know it's in the I think Malcolm in the life times.
And
Man,
back to the Cuban issue. Cuba is one country that has helped a lot of African countries,
Say that.
especially in terms of our human resource development. In that, even up to now, it offers a lot of scholarships, especially in engineering and medicine. Free and here, and also we have a lot of Cuban medical brigade in Ghana, assisting us a lot. Yeah.
I know he was somewhat educated in the West. Did he ever finish, or he just came, or he just?
Meaning Nkrumah.
Nkrumah.
Yes, he went to he was in England for his PhD.
All right, I didn't see any diploma. No.
Yeah, there's a thesis in there for him.
Okay, there is. Okay,
yes,
all right.
But what happened with his thesis was that, of course, the title was Mind and Thought in Primitive Society.
Yeah.
A study in ethnophilosophy. Of course, he wrote it, and like most project works, his supervisor had issues with some of the things he had written in there. And he was being urged on to make corrections, and he was not prepared to do that. So he left it, and later it was conferred on him. Yeah, that's what really happened.
It's important history.
Yeah. The books that are in there, are they available for purchase?
Yes, they are published.
We're going to go to the gift shop.
With that, and I'm going to tell you why.
So, in the absence of any other questions,
One question.
okay.
Please.
When we were inside, you pointed out the picture of the Big Six. Well, the current president's father is in that picture.
Yeah.
Does the current president share the values of Pan-Africanism?
Not really, I would say, because one of the reasons why he broke away from the father of our current president, their group, in fact, initially he was then a student in England, and they invited him to come and join them in the struggle towards independence. But along the line, he realized their process towards independence was a bit different from the ideology he had. So they were having issues in the group, so he broke away. And they more or less believe in the capitalist form of government, and he's more of a socialist. He believed in helping the ordinary people come up along to be assisted, more or less. That's why he broke away. And unfortunately, after Nkrumah broke away, he was having issues with a lot of his friends on the other side. And after independence, on several occasions, attempts were made to have him assassinated. And during investigations, some of his friends were implicated. So he had a couple of them arrested and kept in jail. And unfortunately, a prominent person among them died. His name is J.B. Dankwa, who relates to our current president. So that particular political rift is still there. Yeah, as part of our political discourse. Okay, so thanks for coming and enjoy the rest of this humid.
It's in our coffee.
All right, family, we're on our way to the gift shop.
To the gift shop.
Spend some more money.